Hey guys, so today I'm playing Roblox Cheese Escape. I'm sorry if the audio is bad. My phone audio isn't working the best right now. So yeah, and I'm trying to find my AirPod case so I can use the AirPod on my microphone on my AirPods, but it's not working. So let's go. Let's go. Oh, I gotta go quick, else he's gonna find me and kill me. Okay? Your first cheese. Okay, why did I say it like that? Go, go, go. I've been practicing at this game so I can try to beat the first one so we can move on to the second one for the other series. Because, let's be honest, we absolutely have to move on to the other series. Because it's been, I forgot which way to go. Yeah, we go this way. But I really need to beat this. We can move on to chapter 2, 3, and then there's chapter 4, which is probably gonna have like 1,000 things. So let me type. So I'm gonna speed this up because it takes forever to just walk up here. We gotta get the key first, then the box cola, then the cheese. Okay, now all you gotta do. I don't memorize where the red door is. I should, for sure. Like, I hear it. I can feel it shaking. It's so fat. Can feel the whole, shaking the whole game. It's, Oh. Make it say safe zone. Okay. Into the safe zone. We gotta go to the other safe zone to get to this other safe zone because that's where I know for the green keys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You go first. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. No. Go. You made me die. You little rat. You. No. Why did you do that, you little rat? Time to speed it up, and then once we get here you spawn. Let's go. Okay. I could just go here, but I need to get the wood. You know what? We're just gonna get the cheese first because there's a cheese up there. I still got this obby. So there's gonna be like 1,000,000 attempts, most likely. Yeah. Attempt 2. Go. Go. Yes. Okay. It only took me like 2 attempts. I'm proud. See, that's only number 4. No, that's right. And the red door. I'm scared. I hear it. Okay, I saw red door. Can we get the cheese? How am I? I swear. It's number. Oh, no, I didn't have a place. Is it in here? Yep. Okay, got the board. Now we gotta go back to that safe zone. I don't know. It's right there. I got the. Okay, now I gotta go. Why are we running to the green key area, dude? Okay, wait, you gotta wait like 1 minute. Okay, first. Better not come. You better not come for me. He's gonna come for me. I swear! No, you do not come for me. You do not. Stop. No. Oh my gosh. That is low-key scary. I literally scared the heck out of me, dude. Stop that, but that's not even funny, dude. It actually scared me so bad. Okay. Where do I go? Go. Here. Sorry, extremely. You have to go here. And then you go back in here. It takes you to the key. Yep, okay. I'm scared to go down. I'm low-key nervous. Okay. I'm just gonna go down when this girl goes down. Girl, she went down like that. Okay. I'm scared. She better not leave me so bad. You better not, honey. You think? I gotta choose. Oh my gosh. That scared me so bad. I thought I was gonna die and I got the blue key. Okay. I'm just gonna go here. Because I forgot that's a blue door. No! Okay. Bruh. Gotta go back here. I gotta exit. Oh my gosh, I gotta. Guys, I'm not sure. Yeah, bro, what's this gonna do? Dude, I don't know what to do. We gotta find the blue key. Wait, we gotta go in the safe zone. And then we're gonna go into this safe zone. Is this only line? Okay, I'm just going to say some MPRB. Okay, I need to find all the keys. Let's use all the keys. Okay. So, you're not sitting two regular keys. What's up, roll? Oh, one more. No. More. No, guys. Please not cheese. Okay. Just making that. I need more cheese on. Not you. Just making out cheese. Okay, here. No cheese. Just, I don't need this. No cheese. No cheese. No cheese. I'm not having 5 cheese. I just need 1 more cheese. Huh? Okay, so this one I got my own. Oh, it's better. Okay, we're going to cheese. Because I've been at the one for like 3 episodes of cheese now. so close to escaping this. All you gotta do oh my gosh. I finally did it. We finally... I have a hate...